It's right there. Tire steering leak. Guess that's a sensor. Okay guys, so the pressure switch, I ordered it off of Rock Auto last night. And not Rock Auto, Amazon. Rock Auto only had one listing. There's several different manufacturers, but one listing. And went to Amazon, and they got a 3-prong, I'm guessing what that is, and a 1-prong. Rock Auto didn't say anything about that, so I took the standard ignition part number from Rock Auto and ran it over to Amazon. It was quite a bit cheaper on Amazon. So I went with that route. They could have it the next morning. So we're going to grab some tools if I can't get this put on and fill my power steering back up. And I went on and bought overflow cap. But that one there just broke on me, disappeared. So let me get that fixed too. So let me get you a tripod, see if I can't get you set up, and some tools here. All right, I got that on. That was a piece of cake. I had to cut the old one off with these cutters. And you take this one, just kind of turn it and work it around. As a little small tab at the front and a wider tab at the back. Just take the corner and get it under the small tab and just kind of turn it around and twist it. And I took that little screwdriver and just kind of pry it on a little bit, just pop right on, no big deal. So that's done. Now I'm gonna see if I can't get you set up and show you how I remove this right here. That's a mess right there. Oh yeah, by the way, you get 2 of these, and it was cheaper than buying just the one. Makes no sense, but there's the part number. I can get it to focus. There we go. Off of Amazon, I just looked up 2000 Dodge Dakota 4.7 radiator overflow cap. So you would think if they give you 2, they would give you 1 of each style, because they show 2 different styles, but they look the same to me. But anyhow, it fit my truck. All right, guys, you're on the tripod. I didn't think that would last long. It's kind of hanging there. See if I can wedge you a little better. Can you see? Yeah, let's try that. Okay. So looking at the new switch, normally they have that just came right off. Not sure. Oh, I see. You just push down. Okay, I see what the deal is. You just simply push down and it pops out. So I did that and it popped out. That was too easy. I'm just cleaning up the grease, guys. Don't fret. Good gracious. It's coming on out. Let's see if we can, okay, can you guys still see? Yeah, that's it right now, I'm touching it, okay. Trying to get you a good camera angle. Easier said than done. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun right here. Shoot. Yeah, it's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna bend that damn hose, break that hose, which I think is what I just did. We don't want to do that. Huh. Let me see if I can grab a pry bar to hold against the back, because I bent that damn tube. Shouldn't have done that. I've practiced on the parts truck. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. All right, there it is. It popped off. It's hard to think what you got to do. You got to hold this down here, this part here, which is the part that I've been on mine. I wasn't holding it. So let me see if I can hold it. I tried this pry bar. That was pretty much useless. I got an idea how it comes off now though, and I'll put the old one from my truck in here to keep it getting dirt in there. Okay. So let's see. I think I cut my hand now. Oh man, it wants to bend that damn hose just as sure as anything. And I cannot not unbend it. Damn it. That is not good. Ah, crap. Not going as planned here, guys. See, the hose is flexible enough that it won't it's just bending the damn tube. That's all it's doing. That's going to create a leak. That little bit popped off just as easy. But not this one. This one here wants to be a pain. It's just being in the damn tubes always doing. I can't do that. That is not what needs to be done. Keep on. That is amazing. They make something like this. Let's see if I can. Everything slips off. That is amazing. All right, guys, I'm such a dummy. You take a 3/4 inch wrench right there and put it on the back side of that hose where it's made for that boss for this sensor to screw in. And then a 7/8 wrench is what takes the sensor out. What a knucklehead I am, not realizing that. Let me get you set back up. All right, so we got the put this in a little bit better position here. Get that in a little bit better position. Yeah, it popped right off. This is easy. I just hope I didn't hurt that darn power steering hose. I plan on putting a rack in this thing later on down the road. And when I did that, I was going to update all the power steering lines at that time. I'm just cleaning up and getting the rag to kind of clean some of this mess up. All right, let's put the new sensor in. Okay. And I noticed on the parts truck, the sensor was clocked differently. And this one don't want a thread. Why does it not want a thread? Looks like the same threads. I don't want to drop it on the ground. There it goes. Just didn't have my mouth right. I know I got you blocked. I'm sorry. Unfortunately, in these tight confines, I have to have room for me to work. I was watching a video last night by Martin built. He does a lot of Dodge Dakotas and 4.7 type stuff, and he was putting the fuel pump in one, and he's like, "Yeah, I got the unfortunate guys. I got to get in here and block your view." He's trying to get the electricals turned out, pulled apart. Okay, that's pretty darn tight right there. I hope it's tight enough. Let's see if we can get this switch up. Sorry about that. Can you still see? Yeah, you still see. Let's see if we can get this damn switch in. Does it reach now? Yeah, it'll reach. Just pray I didn't damage that damn hose. I don't think I did. Carry a damn fire extinguisher with me for a few days, just in case I did. So it blows. Coolant, not coolant, but power steering fluid everywhere. I just kind of feel around here. I'm feeling fluid, but it ain't under pressure right now. I think I'm okay. I hope so. Like I said, I'm gonna take that old switch, put it on the parts truck just to keep any dirt and contamination and stuff. Insects and whatever else decides it wants to crawl down that hole and build a home. Clean it up good so that way I can make sure if we got a leak, it'll show right away. It's pretty darn clean right there. Clean even where you can't see. So you run your finger up there and it's not anything will get on your finger. All right, let's fire it. Let's put a little fluid in it. We'll fire this puppy up. Got a electrical short in this truck also. It does some crazy stuff sometimes. I gotta take the battery out and check my ground. This is some clear power steering fluid. And let's start with that. I don't think that's enough, but let's start with that. He's got a leak still. Get on there. And we'll know if something's up. Yeah, the ground wire goes up under here somewhere. Okay, it's not leaking. When I first started it up, it made a little bit of noise. It pumped. Once it got fluid to it, it did okay. So I'm going to cycle the steering wheel left to right a little bit. Let it run a little bit longer. Whining a little bit. I think I need to put some more fluid in it. Yeah, let me put some more fluid in it. Okay, so you see where it says full cold, slightly above that. So let's start it up and see how it acts now. I didn't hurt that pump. It's still making a little noise. There you go, it quietened up. Yeah. it right to there here a little bit. See there? You probably can't hear it, but I can hear it. Obviously, when you go full lock, you hear it. I think we're okay. That's much better. Let's see if we got a leak. So what I'll do, I'll take the rest of that power steering fluid with me. I don't see any leak. I know one thing, they made that hose awful long. It curves way back up underneath towards the radiator. Keep my eye on that. I do not want to replace that hose right yet. I want to do that when I put the rack in it, which will probably be, who knows when, a year from now, whenever I'm using this truck pretty regular on a daily driver. Okay, let me cut it off and check that. Oh, let's check it one more time right here. It's still cold and it's still showing to be okay. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I think that fixed that. Hope that helped you out. I made that one knucklehead mistake, not realizing you can put a wrench on that damn boss where the sensor goes in. Just one of them things. I saved you guys from making that mistake, I hope. You're probably screaming at me on TV or your phone. Use a wrench, knucklehead, to hold it. Yeah, I think we're good. All right, guys, hope that helped you guys. Sensor wasn't much. I don't even remember what it was. It was cheap. Standard ignition. They make good stuff. At least they used to, and I think they still do. I've been buying some of their stuff here lately on some of these other cars I've been working on, late model cars. And so far, so good. So, folks, scroll down, look at some of the other videos we got. I know the check engine light's on. It's been on. It fluctuates on and off. Scroll down, look at some other videos. There's all kinds of content on this channel. A little bit of something for everybody. We got some drag racing, some old cars we drag out of the woods. We flip some cars, try to save them, get them out of the woods and clean them up. Get good tires with a hold air on them and knock the brakes loose. And it's a lot easier for guys to haul them home on their trailers where they don't have to do all that. We do that for we get them out of the woods and rescue them. Try to get clean paperwork on them as many as we can. And I think you'll enjoy some of those videos, and then some of the later model stuff we work on, and the car racing stuff we do. So hit that thumbs up, guys, and share this video.